Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change Qantas Flight. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to qantas.com on Google, and then just go and log into your profile. If of course you don't have one, you can always go and register to Qantas. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top of the screen, we have the travel guides, flight deals, plans, book, fly, frequent flyer. And in the middle of the screen, as you can see, we have the book a trip option, where you can obviously go and book your trip. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change Qantas Flight. So go to the Qantas website, of course, as I told you in the start of the video, and click on Manage Booking tab and enter your booking reference and last name. You can date that by clicking here and then clicking on My Bookings. After that, you just need to go and click on Manage Booking. And here you need to go and put their details and click Continue. Then find your booking and click Change button. If the option is not available, it may be due to fare restrictions. So I don't have a flight at the moment, that's why I can't do that, but when you do that, you will have your flight. Select your new flight based on available options. You may need to pay a change fee and fare difference. Review your changes and confirm the new booking. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.